The city was a neon labyrinth, a symphony of light and sound. Towers clawed at the sky, their apexes lost in the artificial twilight. Holographic advertisements blazed with impossible colors, flickering against the perpetual drizzle. Above the teeming streets, sleek vehicles zipped between buildings, their undercarriages glowing a hypnotic blue. The air hummed with the throb of unseen machinery, a constant reminder of the technology that permeated every aspect of life. From the grimy heart of the metropolis, a lone figure emerged. They were swallowed by the shadows of a narrow alleyway, a stark contrast to the vibrant cityscape. The figure's hooded cloak, dark and shapeless, concealed their features, adding to their enigmatic aura. With each step, the rhythmic click of their boots on the wet pavement echoed in the silence, a lonely counterpoint to the city's cacophony. The alley was a subterranean world, a warren of pipes and wires. Rainwater cascaded from overflowing gutters, mingling with the steam rising from ventilation shafts. The air was thick with the smell of ozone and something else, something metallic and sharp. The figure moved with purpose, navigating the labyrinth with an almost preternatural familiarity. Their footsteps were measured, their presence radiating an aura of quiet danger. As the figure reached the center of the alley, they paused, their head turning slowly towards some unseen point of interest. The dim light glinted off something metallic hidden beneath the hood, a flash of chrome, the curve of a mask. Their face remained obscured, a mystery waiting to be unveiled. The figure stood motionless, a statue in the heart of the urban maelstrom, their presence a silent question mark in the neon-drenched night.